I'm Nicole Rabbat Levine, and welcome to Oceanport, a hidden gem just minutes from the beach, Red Bank, and the exciting redevelopment of Fort Monmouth. Upon entry, you'll find this 1930s home is filled with tons of character but has all of the modern updates that you need. Moving into the dining room, you'll find there's plenty of space for entertaining. The dining room leads into the spacious kitchen with plenty of pantry space. Now let's head upstairs where you'll find 3 bedrooms filled with natural light. The finished loft is an added bonus, and it can be used as a playroom, office, or a guest room. There's also a basement for extra storage and a backyard with plenty of space to enjoy. If you love charm, character, and a great location, message me for a private appointment.